plug it into the laptop, just like this. Alright, and now we should boot up the laptop. It should go directly into the USB drive. So let's make sure that happens. It says please wait. Didn't say that before. There we go. Looks like Windows didn't work correctly. So see advanced repair options, and we want to reset. No, we want to boot into the USB drive. This is not what we want. So what we're going to do is turn off the PC. Now we're going to turn it on again. We're going to press delete while it's turning on. So this should take us into the BIOS or F12 boot options. Oh, I think I missed it. It said press F12. Yep, we missed it. And some computers are different, so I'm going to turn this off again, and you might have to look it up for your specific computer. So press F12 for this one, and there we go. Other options: BIOS, BIOS flash. So let's see, UEFI, Patriot memory, UEFI boot. So this is the USB drive. So we can click enter, Patriot memory, name of the USB drive, and it should boot from the USB drive now. So let's make sure that works. And there we go. Now this is what you want to see. Booting into the USB drive will get you this window here. It says Windows. Let me see if I can give you a closer look. Alright, language to install: English. Time and currency format: English. Is there English Canada? And keyboard is a US keyboard. And click next. And install now. So this is what we want to do to clean install Windows. There we go. Here is the license agreement. Just click the box, click next. We want to custom install Windows only, which is advanced. So click this, and here you will see a bunch of confusing stuff. What you want to do is click all of them. You want to click one and hit delete. Okay. Then you want to click another one. Well, you'll see here now it turned into unallocated space. Click another one, click delete. Click OK. Click another one, click delete. OK. Another one, delete. OK. And after you've deleted everything, all you should have left is a single one that says drive 0 unallocated space. And this one you cannot delete or format. And it says free space 119. This is a 120 gig SSD, so that's pretty much all the space there is. And select it, click next. And that should be about it. It's going to start installing Windows. All you have to do is wait, and that's it. It will make all the partitions necessary and wipe your drive, get everything installed, and I'll be back when this is done. Alright, so the computer just rebooted right now, and it's starting up. There are two possibilities right now. It will boot either into Windows or back into the USB drive. So what you want is for it to boot into Windows. If you see that screen again where it says install Windows, Windows 10, blah blah blah, the blue screen, that means you boot it into the USB again, and that means you need to close that window and select restart, and when you restart, unplug the USB drive, because you don't want to install Windows a second time. You actually want to boot into the internal drive, which now has Windows on it. And you can see here getting things ready. This is booting into the storage drive in the laptop, not the USB. So this is going to take a bit. It's restarting again. Let's see now, it should boot into Windows. If it did everything properly, of course. Alright, there you go. So this is now the setup for Windows. This USB drive, you pull it out, you're done with it, you already installed Windows, don't need it anymore. Now all you need to do is just set up Windows 10 like you usually would. So here it says get going fast. You want to go into the customize and not use express settings, because there are quite a few options here that you might want to actually change or turn off. So it will take some time, but go through all the settings and decide what you want on or what you want off. If you don't know what something is, you can quickly Google it. Something like this, you want to change, send full diagnostic and usage data to Microsoft. Turning this off will send only basic data. So most people would want that off, so that's why you want to go through these settings. You can change these settings though later in the settings menu, but it's easier just to get it done now once you're installing Windows and have it finished. Microsoft account, most people would want to just skip this step, so you want to click on this button over here and not insert anything. Cortana, maybe you want to use it, maybe you don't. And that's it. Windows 10 is now set up on your computer. Once you get into the operating system, then you can just move your files back from wherever you save them and reinstall your programs, and that's it. You got fresh, clean Windows 10 installed on your PC and no more software issues of any kind. This USB, you don't need it anymore. You can format it and just use it for stuff if you want to. You can always re-download that tool and put Windows on it again if you need to. But that's about it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comments and I'll reply. So see you guys in the next one.